Hi guys and welcome back to Jyoti Jia Love. Now you all know what is today's video about, but first things first, I just want to tell you that there was a time when I used to swim in YouTube. No, I don't know swimming. There was a time when I used to like live YouTube. I used to drink YouTube. I used to eat YouTube, and I used to take part in each and every giveaway which was held by my the YouTubers which I love, to whom I followed. And believe me, till now I really don't know how many giveaways I've taken part in, but I didn't won even once. So like literally not even once. So I know how it feels. So I'm very sorry those who are not winning today. Please don't be disheartened. I am planning for my next giveaway very soon, and very soon in the sense very soon. It can be like next week or 15 days maybe, but I'll let you know about this. But for this time giveaway winners, I have done a cheat system for like picking up the winners. I have seen this method in one and only Payal from Beauty Infinite. I simply love her, and this idea which she does in her every giveaway, I think that is like that is totally superb, because it will not be like partial or something like that. Anyone can feel that, oh, she gave to her, or oh, why didn't I win? So this is totally fair according to me. And still, if you want to blame something, then please blame, because today she is going to select the winners, and how I have made the chess system you will see now.
As you can see here, I have written all the names in each chit, and I was about to select 10 names, but trust me, it was so confusing. I ended up selecting 16 names. From here, first Gia will be selecting 6 names, and from that 6 names, any 2 lucky winners will be selected by Gia.
This is our first giveaway and first time we are doing this chess system, but for the next time I am really not sure I'm going to do this chess system again or no. Maybe I think next time, if I am keeping 2 winners, then I will be selecting at least once from the efforts they are showing, from the extra efforts, and one on the random basis I can do that. And there were some people who were saying, oh, they are like this, they are behaving like this with you because you are conducting a giveaway. I really don't want to go into all that. I just want to say that I really don't want to force anyone to be with Jyoti Jia Love, because if you all love me, you will watch me. If you don't like us, if you don't want to watch us, then it's totally depends upon you. So I am conducting giveaway because it's my way to say thank you to you all, and I really don't care what negative people think about this. I folded the chits in this way. As you can see, all the chits look the same. I have not done any cheating or something. Every name is written. I've just folded them in equally. And why would I cheat? Because all of you have given so much of love and support to us both and our channel, that I'm really overwhelmed. Previous video I had mentioned that I will be selecting 10 names, but man nahi mana. That's why I have selected 16 of you, and all names are written here. I will keep all the names in this bowl like this. I hope you can see, and I'll just shuffle it. Oh.
Yeah.
Just shuffle them properly. Hey. She's doing it for the first time, and you can see how excited she is. Are you ready, Ju?
Yes.
First, she will select 6 names, and from that 6, we will select 2 winners. Okay?
Yes.
Chalo.
Start.
So the first name is
This.
Naina D, and I'll keep this aside. Second is, shuffle it once, na? Diksha Sharma. I hope I'm pronouncing the name correctly. Sorry if I'm not.
Next
Third
one.
is
This.
Lady Dabang. Sorry, Lady Dabang, and I think in Insta she is Dabang Lady. She has done so many like bonus points she will gain because she has done so many things. But let's see what her luck says.
Another.
Fourth one is Jayanti Partho Sharthi. Oh my god, I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. I've also included the names who have not shared in Insta or Facebook, because might be they are not having an account, and I used to face the same problem because I have recently joined Insta, and first I was not in Instagram, and you know, maybe that's why I didn't won any giveaways, but I didn't wanted to do the same with my subscribers. Fifth name is, आप अंदर से भी निकाल सकते हो, इतना ऊपर ऊपर से क्यों उठा रहे हो, रुक जाओ अभी. Mrinali Naidu. And the last will be Sandhya 21. So okay, now this is the empty bowl, and I will put all these names, all the six names, and I'll shuffle again, and from here we'll select any two winners. So let's see.
No, I will select. You are not select.
Yeah, you select.
Let's start.
So these are the final names selected. From here we are going to select any two. So let's see, are you ready?
Yes.
This is our first giveaway, and let's see who wins our first gift, that is Maybelline pouch one. So our first winner for the Maybelline pouch is
Okay.
congratulations Jayanti Partho Sharthi. Yeah, congratulations to you. Say congratulations.
Congratulations.
And our second winner winning the necklace and the lipstick one.
Okay.
Lucky winner is Sandhya 21. Congratulations Sandhya. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
So that was all for today. More exciting videos and more exciting giveaways are on the way, I promise you that. So keep in touch with us. We will meet you in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye.
Bye.